Next, the marks of student is an example of an attribute? No. Is it a discrete variable? Yes. It is not a continuous variable? None of this. So which one is the correct one? A discrete variable. Why? Marks of students or marks of student is exact number. Therefore it is a discrete variable. Now the next one, 8th question, that is nationality of a student is first option an attribute, second option a continuous variable, third option a discrete variable, and last option A or C. Actually nationality, whether it is Indian or American or African, so this is what? This is nothing but an attribute. Drinking habit of a person is again an attribute, because drinking habit either yes or no. So this is what? This is again an attribute. Now come to the 10th question. Age of a person is. So age of a person is, first is an attribute, second a discrete variable, third a continuous variable, and last a variable. So it is actually a continuous variable. We cannot say directly the person's age, okay, in terms of discrete variable. It is nothing but continuous variable. Eleventh question is data collected on religion from the census reports are. See, data collected on religion from the census report. So this from the census report, so it is primary or secondary data? It is nothing but secondary data. Why? Because it comes from this census report. We are considering religion from the census report. So census report, we are collecting data from census report, therefore it is secondary data. The data collected on the height of group of students after recording their height with a measuring tape. So this is actually we are doing activity. So this is nothing but what? Primary data. Now the next question is the primary data are collected by, as we see, the primary data are collected by interview method, observation method, as well as questionnaire method. So all of these are correct, right? Now question number 14. The quickest method to collect primary data is first personal interview, second indirect interview, third telephone interview, and last by observation. Actually if I am considering this personal interview, it takes time, okay. For indirect interview again it requires time, but if I consider telephone interview, so I can collect data, okay, which is far from me, right? So by using telephone I can collect data from this country to another country by considering only telephonic interview. So this telephonic interview is quickest method of collecting primary data. The best method, question number 15 is the best method to collect data in case of natural calamity is. So one minute. Yes, the best method to collect data in case of natural calamity. Natural calamity means disaster, okay. So we can collect this data by using what? This personal interview. So this personal interview, indirect interview, questionnaire method, direct observation method. So this personal interview is the correct answer. Now the next is what? In case of rail accident, the appropriate method of data collection is nothing but what? Indirect interview. Personal interview we cannot take it. Direct interview is also not possible. Indirect interview we can consider, okay. So correct answer is indirect interview. Now the 17th question is which method of data collection covers the widest area